1, 2, 3.
Good job. Let's do it again.
Okay.
You ready? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Your name isn't Caroline. That's your friend's name. What's your last name? Hardwick, right. And when's your birthday? When's your birthday? October.
19th.
Right, October 19th. Perfect. What's your name? Hardwick? Mary Hardwick, right. And when's your birthday? Perfect.